Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's THRIFTING here. Welcome to a new video. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting. Today we are in a city whose name I can't remember currently, unfortunately. But I love this Goodwill. They always have some pretty good stuff, so I can't wait to take you guys in there with me. But if you guys love thrifting and thrift hauls and vlogs and all that super fun stuff, do not forget to subscribe. I do post videos every single day. I have you on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. Check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale for my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head to the store right now and check it out. This Goodwill, I always look at this like restaurant over there. It just looks so festive, right? So fun. Alright, here's the Goodwill. Let's go inside and check it out. Oh, you guys, I found this Coach bag right here. Oh, but it looks like it's like ripped right there, like the handle. It's unfortunate. This is Vera Bradley, but that one looks pretty fitted as well. We have a Kathy Von Zealand right there. What's this? I almost got like bamboozled. This looks almost like the Mark by Marc Jacobs hardware, but it's not. But this is leather, popcorn Milano, made in Italy. Guys, check out this. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I love the brass. I love like this kind of like emerald green velvet. Oh, Project 62, the Malvern Ottoman. It's so cute. But let's see how much it is. Oh, looks like it's 30. Oh man, it's 30. That's expensive. We're gonna leave this. Oh, but check out this mirror. Oh, inlay. Fancy. Also $35. Yikes. Sorry, I forgot to take off the lens cap. But look at how whimsical that tea set is. Do love a good whimsical tea set. Oh, look at this. $5.99. Where is this from? Honestly, just going through the backpacks really quick. I don't know, I feel like they like cleared out these stores too during Black Friday. Today's Saturday. This backpack is kind of cute though. Beauty and the Beast Plumette trinket box. Interesting looking vase. Ooh, this is cute. Metal Hurricane, $10 though. A little pricey. Let's see what we have here in the knickknacks. You know, I can't not look in this section. It's like one of my favorites. Who doesn't love a good knickknack? I'm trying to collect like a bunch of like jewel looking things, but like ones that look like jewels, like not like a candle holder, because I want to like fill like a little bowl with them. I think that would be really, really cool. Is that a brain? Stop. It's a brain. Hold on, Paddington. Paddington is like impeding my reach of this brain cookie jar. What? This is the best. Okay, so I'm literally obsessed with this. It's from Target. It's $5.99 though, so it's not like a new from Target piece. Someone just donated it and bought it from Target originally. I don't know, I'm kind of digging it. It's kind of cool. This is the only place online that has them. They're $45. Yeah, it's really cool. I think I'm just gonna get it. They're so fun. Oh, they're from Halloween 2015. Alright. We're going through the mugs. I think I'm just gonna set my brain cookie jar right here as I look around first. How cute is that? There's like a little R. Oh, this one has a little chip in, but that's like not from the same collection. I have a bunch of these that kind of look like they're almost the same, but then they're not quite the same. But checking to see if they have any cool mugs. I think this year I'm going to give away a lot of mugs for Halloween, or for Christmas. It would be really cute to do like a mug with like a Starbucks gift card or something, right? Like that's kind of fun. How pretty is this plate? Illustrated by Serena Hayes. Hey guys, I'm dying a little because I found this gorgeous Vera Wang from Wedgwood. I actually have a Vera Wang bowl as well from Wedgwood. It's like broken though. It has like a chip right there, or 2 chips. And I don't see any other plates, so sad. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, lead free. Nice. Look at these plates, you guys. They're IKEA plates though, $2.99. But look at that. They look kind of like, I have some Pagnosin ones that look similar, and I thought these were Pagnosin at first. But they're IKEA, they're not the same color, so womp womp womp. I'm living for these lemon plates and bowl. Well, there's 1 plate and there's like 4 bowls. They're never enough. Ooh, this is pretty. Yeah, I found like such really great stuff already, but like none of them I can get to use. Looking through like these are the metal and then these are like the wood knickknacks. This is kind of cute. I've seen these at another store too. Alright guys, just got everything inside the car. Let's go home and show you guys what. So